Hey YouTube friends, in this video I will walk you through how you can create your own custom printed fabric at home. I am a swimwear designer and creator for my swimwear line, Mary Cleopatra NY Swim. I often enjoy creating my own fabric designs, and in this tutorial I will show you how I do that. I start off by choosing the fabric design that I want. You can use a high quality digital image or digital paper if you want the site that I use for the digital paper design that I used in this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below. After printing out the digital design onto my sublimation paper, I take my fabric that I previously cut out and place it right side down, so the right side facing down onto the sublimation paper. Next, I take that blank fabric that is taped onto the sublimation paper over to my heat press. I press the fabric onto the paper at 410 degrees Fahrenheit for 120 seconds. Once it is done pressing, you can peel the fabric gently off the sublimation paper, and you will now have a beautiful fabric design that you created yourself. This is the final result. As I said before, I like to create my own fabric designs for my custom swimwear brand. After I printed the image onto the blank white fabric, I took the pieces to my sewing machine and sewed them all together. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Subscribing will let me know that you want to see more of my content. The more subscribers I get, the more content like this I will create.